How to edit and save listings on Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook. Tap on the Marketplace icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top. Now you can access various options. Under the section for selling, tap on the option Your Listings. You can see all of your listings over here. Tap on the three dots right next to the listing that you want to edit. Tap on the option Edit Listing. Now you can edit the informations of this listing if you want. You can edit the title, price, category, condition, description, etc. You can also edit the settings like auto reply, offer shipping, meetup preferences, etc. I'm just going to edit the price. So for that, tap on the field that you would like to edit. It is the initial information. Enter the new information over here. Once you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now the changes will be saved. Like this, you can edit and save listings in Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.